What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Moody Moose from the Smiling Critters. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the bottom edge of the nose. So we're going to start over on the left side. We're going to draw a half circle, coming down the middle, and then back up. Now I'm going to fold the side of the nose in behind. So on the left we're going to step down, bend this out, and I want to curve that in towards a center point. Let's do the same thing on the right. Just going to line this up, going around, and then bending that in. Let's add two small ovals along the bottom for the nostrils. And we'll fill the nostrils in black. Now I want to tuck the eyes in behind the nose, leaving a small gap in the center. Let's go over towards the left side. We're going to draw an oval, going up towards the top of the eye, come around the side, and then back in. Let's line this up on the right, going up towards the same height, going all the way around, and then we'll tuck that in. Let's push the pupils towards the inside. So on the inside of the left eye, draw an oval, going around and then in. Let's go back to the side of the nose. We're going to draw the top edge of the mouth, bend this up and then out. And then on the left side, we're going to step in, draw the bottom of the mouth. We're going to curve this down, round out the mouth, and then tuck that up on the right side. Let's add the tongue across the bottom, starting on the left, going up, add a fold, coming down, step back, going up on the right, and then down. Let's switch to a thick black marker and fill the outside of the eyes and the inside of the mouth. From here, we're going to move out to the side and add some fur around the cheeks. Let's start on top of the left mouth. We're going to step up, going out, round this out, and bend that back in. We'll line that up on the right. Let's add another one underneath. I'm just going to bend this down and then up. Now underneath the left side, we're going to draw the bottom of the mouth, coming down. Just going to round up the chin, go across, and then tuck that up underneath. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top half of the head. We're going to go up above the eye, round up the brow, come down. Just going to round up the center, going up above the right eye, round this out, and then come down on top on the right side. Now with the head complete, let's move up to the top and draw in those large horns. We're going to start on top of the left brow. Start by curving this up and then out. Let's add a small bump, going up in an angle and then down. Round this out and add another one, going up and then down. Let's add the end of the horn, bend this around and up towards the top. Just going to round this out, come all the way around towards the side. Let's add some thickness across the bottom and then taper that back in on top of the brow. So come down, come in, and then back down. Separate the horns along the inside with a curve. And then in between the horns and the cheeks, we're going to add in the ears. Let's start back on the left. Start by going up, down, and then up. on the end, we're going to bend the ear, coming down and then back in towards the side of the head. Let's trace the ears along the inside. We're going to follow that curve along the top and then the bottom. Now that we've completed the head, let's move down and draw in that fur color. We're starting on the left side of the head, bend this down and in towards the center. And I'm just going to curl this back out towards the left. Let's bend this back out towards the right and then up underneath the head. Now on either side, we're going to leave a gap underneath the collar. We're going to draw a half oval. We're going to come down, round out the body, and then bend that back up on the right. Let's add that zipper in the center with 2 straight lines. Let's go to the side of the collar. We're going to bend the arms, going out and then up. Let's round up the hands and then bring that back down. Let's draw the bottom of the arm. We're going to come down, just tuck that in towards the side of the body. And then we'll add a seam across the end with a curve. Now we're going to tuck the legs in underneath the body, leaving a gap in the center. Let's go over toward the left, bend this down, and then out towards the heel. Go to the right, and do the same thing. Now we want to round out the bottom of the feet, but we're going to add a notch on the outside. So start by curving this down and out. Draw an upside down V, going up and then down. Let's continue this curve, going out towards the outside of the leg. Bend the leg, going in and up underneath the body. Now from the inside corner of that notch, angle this up and in behind. Then we'll add a seam across the bottom of the leg with another curve. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Moody Moose from the Smiling Critters. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.